Hi, I'm John, the Twisted Cuber. Today I'm going to show you how to solve the 2x2x3 Ankylosaurus Cuboid. Before we get started, I hope you'll hit the like, subscribe, and notification buttons. Let's begin. The Ankylosaurus, like the Christmas tree cuboid, is a shape mod. It has three sections: the head, or the top layer, the main body, or the middle layer, and the tail, or bottom layer. The method I'll be using will also work on a regular 2x2x3 cuboid. Okay, let's get this puzzle scrambled. Alright, so we now have ourselves a nicely scrambled Ankylosaurus. So first we're going to be solving the middle layer of the main body. This will be intuitive, requiring no algorithms. As you can see, that's straightforward. The middle layer is now solved. Next, we're going to be placing the head. And what we're going to be doing here is trying to place as many of the head pieces in their correct position and correctly oriented as possible. So able to get 3 of the 4. And what we're going to do from here is we're going to put this on the bottom. And we're going to place this piece above where it's supposed to go. And we're going to be performing this algorithm to place the piece. R2. U. R2. U. R2, U2, R2. Now this is one of 3 cases you're going to get, which is basically you solve the puzzle. One of the other 2 cases you can get with this is where you have 2 of the pieces are solved and the other 2 pieces are not solved, and they're adjacent to each other. What you're going to do is you're going to turn the pieces so they're on the right, solved ones are on the left, and you're going to be performing this algorithm. This algorithm will swap these 2 pieces, and these 2 pieces will be unaffected. R2, U, R2, U prime, R2, U prime, D, R2, U prime, R2, U, R2, D. Rotate the pieces back in their normal spots, and the Ankylosaurus is now solved. In this case, the 2 solved pieces are diagonal to each other. Hold the puzzle any way you'd like, it doesn't matter with them being diagonal, and you're going to perform this algorithm. R2, U, R2, U prime, R2, U prime, D, R2, U prime, R2, U, R2, D prime. So what you have here now is these 2 pieces are solved and these 2 pieces are flipped. So it's going to be the same as the previous case. Going to put the solved pieces on the left and the pieces that need to be flipped on the right, and you're going to repeat that algorithm. R2, U, R2, U prime, R2, U prime, D, R2, U prime, R2, U, R2, D prime. As you can see, the Ankylosaurus is now solved. And there you have it, a brief tutorial on how to solve the 2x2x3 Ankylosaurus cuboid. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, have a great day.